Here comes another showcase of telescopic boom lifts today. Hope you'll like them. The maximum working height of this equipment can reach 20.5 meters. Here are some specifications of the platform. Platform dimensions L*W, 1.8*, 0.75 meters. Rated load capacity of the platform, 300 kilogram. Maximum capacity, 3 persons. Platform rotation range, plus or minus 80. Jib rotation range, plus or minus 70. Gross weight, 8,520 kilogram. Driving speed stowed, 4.8 kilometers per hour. That's all for the data I'm sharing with you for now. Next, I'll explain the performance of the equipment. Strong driving power and 45% of climbing capacity make it convenient to transfer. It is equipped with traceless off-road tires and axle balancing system, which is applicable to all kinds of indoor and outdoor road conditions. The 5 meters turning radius is maneuverable and flexible, which leads to perfect operation of machines in narrow spaces. Advanced four-wheel AC-driven technology and steering differential control technology greatly reduce tire wear and motor overload rate. The combination of AC pump control and proportional control technology provides a safer and more stable operation experience. Environmental friendly, zero emission, low noise, and traceless driving are suitable for indoor cleaning and construction operations. Independent emergency power source guarantees convenient lowering of boom emergency power source and primary power source sharing charging plug, bringing intelligent charging and easy operation. That's all for the equipment's performance I'm sharing for now. Originally, it could be equipped with various components, but I won't go into details about each one here. What do you think of this equipment?